Let's look at some compound operators for arithmetic. Here we have plus equals. It will add and then assign. Int value 1 is equal to 5. Int value 2 is equal to 3. Value 1 plus equals value 2. We're going to first do the addition portion. So value 1 plus value 2, 5 plus 3, which is 8. And then the assignment will happen, and value 1 will get assigned 8. The next operator is minus equals, which will subtract and assign. So value 1 is 5, value 2 is 3. Value 1 minus equals value 2. We'll do the subtraction part first. Value 1 minus value 2. 5 minus 3, which is 2. And then we'll do the assignment. Value 1 equals 2. Multiply equals, we'll multiply and assign. Again, value 1 and value 2 are set. Value 1 times equals value 2. We're going to do the multiplication first. So value 1 times value 2, 5 times 3, which is 15, and value 1 will equal 15. Divide equals is going to divide and then assign. So value 1 is 5, value 2 is 3. We'll do the division first. Value 1 divided by value 2, or 5 divided by 3, which is 1. Here we're doing integer division, and so we truncate the decimal. And then value 1 is assigned to 1. Modulus equals is going to compute the modulus and assign. Value 1 is 5, value 2 is 3. Value 1 mod equals value 2. We will do the mod first. So value 1 mod value 2, 5 mod 3, which will give you a remainder of 2, and value 1 is assigned 2. When we use the compound operator along with other arithmetic values, it's important to note that the compound operator's arithmetic expression is going to happen as the last part of the arithmetic operator, and then the assignment will execute last. It's similar to having the expression to the right of the compound operator being in parentheses, like we have here. So in this example, where value 1 is 5, value 2 is 3, and answer is 10, answer times equals value 1 plus value 2, we're going to do the addition first in this case, because it's as if this value 1 plus value 2 expression is in parentheses. So 5 plus 3, which is 8, and then we will do the multiplication, and we will do answer times 8, which is 10 times 8, or 80, and answer will be assigned 80.